Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever been in the zone creating your next masterpiece? When suddenly snap, your tip pencil breaks. Frustration takes over and you are left worrying. And why does this always happen to me? Okay, so today I am sharing my own struggle with the tip pencil breakage and some valuable lesson learned. From prevention tips to some motivated. Let's dive in. So in this video I am sharing top 6 reasons pencil tips breaks while drawing. 1. Excessive pressure. Applying too much force. 2. Incorrect angle. Holding pencils at wrong angle. 3. Low quality pencils. For you can see this is low quality pencils. Cheap or poorly pencils. So I do not need for this pencil. Do not need. For dull pencil, worn out or overused pencil tip. 5. Uneven surface, drawing on rough and uneven paper. 6. Sharp turns, suddenly changes in direction. Okay, so for now you guys give me permission. Then I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.